we'll have the Nightshade here do the honors. There we go. And let's see here. Oh, speaking of the raccoon, I mean, come on now. By the way, in the box, we always have some very tight-fit paperwork and a Vosteed card with a raccoon sticker. And here we go. We got the wiping cloth in the Vosteed orange. And of course, we got the now iconic Velcro pouch here from Vosteed with a nice little leather patch here in the front. And let's see what's unique, special about this raccoon. Again, like I was saying earlier, the raccoon is one of, if not the most popular model from Vosteed. From their lineup, it's basically an icon by now, right? If you don't own a raccoon and you're kind of getting started, right, that's understandable. But if you've been doing the hobby for a while here, you absolutely owe it to yourself to check out a Vosteed raccoon, especially this model we have here. Now, the raccoon comes in a lot of different flavors. There is a crossbar lock, but this one is the button-operated liner lock. So it's an updated version with the new button-operated liner lock. We have thumb studs here, a blacked out blade, loving the green micarta handles on here with a nice little gold matching backspacer. Aluminum, by the way, matching the thumb studs. And we have proud liners here as well. So without further ado, let's get it deployed here. And bam, all right, there we go. That is the new, I want to say this might be, if I'm not mistaken, I will double check here, future me double check. This might be the new Vosteed Raccoon 2.0. Right? I know that the 2.0 just recently released and they went back through and they updated a few things. And the reason why I have a feeling is the 2.0 is because of this situation here. They updated a few things. For example, you can now get a much better grip here on the forward choke position. That's looking pretty tight there. It used to be slightly different on the original, right, setup. And I'll probably put a diagram here on the screen so you can see the differences between this one and the OG one, but this is definitely one that stands out to me. They also added some jimping down here as well, so again, it just feels way more natural. We have two jimping zones also here. We have this one back here and this one up in the front. It's a little bit more of a finer jimping in the front, a little bit more spread out back there, right? Of course, a good old flat grind drop point blade with a 14C 28N steel. This one's black washed to match all the blacked out hardware and liners on this particular model, which looks so good. Internal milling for weight reduction on the non-top liner lock side. And again, checking the action here. Oh man, listen to this. Oh, come on now. All right, am I exaggerating, or does that sound really nice? Yeah, let me know in the comments. It feels like a freaking whip. It only works with a thumb deployment. If I do deploy from the button lock, it sounds a little bit different. If I reverse flick, there we go, I get the same sound right there. Loving that. Okay, that is really, really good on the acoustics department. Of course, multiple deployment options, which is great. Got that fidget factor. We have a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible with an insert on the other side. Love to see it. And of course, the ergos are going to be really, really good. This is one of the best pocket clip that Vosteed has, and they have it on many models. So I can do the hammer grip, I can do the forward choke position, and of course, I mean, you already know, this thing is a beast of an EDC knife by now. It can do so much, and it feels so good on hand. No wonder it is so popular. This revision just kind of builds up on that and makes it even sweeter. I mean, at this point, there's even a special version I haven't gotten a chance to check out in person, but it has the V anchor lock. That one is pretty sweet. That raccoon with a V anchor lock. If you guys have checked it out, let me know in the comments. We'll definitely love to hear your thoughts on that one. And hopefully I can check that one out sometime in the future. But yeah, this 2.0 version right here, Vosteed, again, revising the recipe, making it even better, adding some things here and there to make the recipe as good as it can be. And I gotta tell you, man, it absolutely works. They did a really good job here. Of course, going to be on ball bearings with some good action, right? And in case you were wondering, we got the subscribe stick of truth right here. I normally do the walk test with plunge lock button locks, right? With the liner lock being a completely different locking mechanism. Think like a compression lock, but of course with the ease of use of a button instead. And it is technically a way stronger locking system than a good old plunge lock button lock. But I'm gonna get my finger safe grip here, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a couple whacks, see how it goes. All right, no issues there. Let's do a few more. And absolutely no surprises at all. I'm just doing this for the heck of doing this because I had a feeling we weren't going to have any issues with Vosteed's button operated liner lock. It's one of the strongest of its kinds in the market, and not a lot of companies are doing this, to be honest. Kaiser, Quechua, right, Vosteed, to name a few, but don't see many other companies doing it. More and more companies should do this version of a button lock instead of a plunge lock, button lock, if you ask me. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.